Hey there, Mad Money viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve into the most intriguing stories in the financial world. Tonight we're diving into the wild world of SMCI, a tech stock that's got everyone talking. This company has been making waves on Wall Street, and for good reason. With its stock price soaring, investors are eager to understand what makes SMCI tick. This company is shrouded in mystery, but that hasn't stopped investors from bidding up the stock. The allure of SMCI lies in its enigmatic nature, leaving many to speculate about its true potential. Some say it's the next big thing in tech, while others are more cautious, warning of potential pitfalls. SMCI is in the business of high-performance computing, a sector that's hotter than ever thanks to the AI boom. High-performance computing is the backbone of many advanced technologies, from artificial intelligence to big data analytics. SMCI's products are designed to handle massive amounts of data at lightning speeds, making them indispensable in today's tech-driven world. They make the chips and servers that power the future. These components are critical for the functioning of data centers, which are the nerve centers of the digital age. Without companies like SMCI, the rapid advancements in technology we see today would not be possible. But here's the catch. SMCI is facing some serious headwinds, including the threat of delisting and a lack of financial transparency. The company's financial statements have raised eyebrows, with some analysts questioning the accuracy of their reported earnings. This has led to increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies and a cloud of uncertainty hanging over the stock. So, is SMCI a hidden gem or a ticking time bomb? Let's break it down. On one hand, the company's technology and market position are undeniably strong. On the other hand, the financial irregularities and potential regulatory issues cannot be ignored. Investors must weigh the potential rewards against the risks. Stay tuned as we explore the various facets of SMCI, from its innovative products to the challenges it faces in the market. We'll hear from industry experts, analyze market trends, and provide you with the insights you need to make an informed decision. Don't go anywhere because this is one story you won't want to miss. Now, some investors look at SMCI's price-to-earnings ratio and scream, "Bargain!" They see a company with potential trading at a fraction of its peers. And on the surface, they might have a point. SMCI's stock has been beaten down, and if they can turn things around, there could be significant upside. But remember folks, valuation is only part of the story. We need to look at the fundamentals. Is SMCI actually making money? Are they growing their revenue? These are the questions we need answers to before we start backing up the truck. One thing going for SMCI is the insatiable demand for AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming industries across the board. From healthcare to finance and from retail to manufacturing, AI is becoming an integral part of business operations. This surge in AI adoption is creating a massive market for companies that can provide the necessary infrastructure and hardware to support these advanced technologies. Everyone and their grandmother is trying to get in on the action, and it's not just tech enthusiasts or large corporations. Small businesses, startups, and even individual entrepreneurs are exploring how AI can give them a competitive edge. This widespread interest is driving demand for AI solutions, and companies like SMCI are in a prime position to benefit. And that means big bucks for companies that can provide the necessary hardware. The financial implications are enormous. As more businesses invest in AI, the need for high-performance computing systems, data storage solutions, and advanced networking equipment is skyrocketing. This is where SMCI comes in, offering cutting-edge technology that meets the rigorous demands of AI applications. SMCI is strategically positioned to capitalize on this trend. They've got the technology, and they're continuously innovating to stay ahead of the curve. Their products are designed to handle the complex computations and large data sets that AI workloads require. This makes them an attractive option for businesses looking to implement or expand their AI capabilities. And they're starting to attract some big-name partners. Collaborations with industry leaders and tech giants are a testament to SMCI's growing reputation in the market. These partnerships not only enhance their credibility, but also open up new opportunities for growth and expansion. By working with established players, SMCI can leverage their expertise and resources to further strengthen their market position. If they can execute on their vision, SMCI could become a major player in the AI space. Their strategic initiatives and forward-thinking approach are setting the stage for long-term success. However, execution is key. they need to deliver on their promises and continue to innovate to maintain their competitive edge. The potential is there, but it will require careful planning and flawless execution. But remember, there's a lot of competition out there. The AI market is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for a share of the pie. Companies need to differentiate themselves through unique value propositions, superior technology, and exceptional customer service. SMCI will need to stay vigilant and agile to navigate this competitive landscape. NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, these are giants, and they have a significant presence in the AI hardware market. These companies have vast resources, extensive research and development capabilities, and established customer bases. Competing with them is no small feat, and SMCI will need to leverage its strengths and carve out its niche to succeed, and they're not going to give up market share easily. The battle for dominance in the AI hardware market will be fierce, and only the most innovative and resilient companies will thrive. SMCI has the potential to be one of those companies, but it will require relentless effort, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to excellence. The journey ahead is challenging, but the rewards could be substantial for those who succeed. Speaking of partnerships, SMCI has been making some interesting moves lately. They've inked deals with some of the biggest names in tech, which could give them a much-needed boost. These partnerships provide SMCI with credibility, resources, and access to new markets. It's a sign that they're being taken seriously by the industry heavyweights. However, we need to see these partnerships translate into actual revenue. Deals are great, but they don't mean much if they don't move the needle on the bottom line. Section 5. Red flags, delisting fears, and financial opacity. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the risks. When it comes to investing, understanding the potential pitfalls is just as important as recognizing the opportunities. One of the most significant risks that investors face is the possibility of a company being delisted from major stock exchanges. This is not just a minor inconvenience, it can have serious implications for your investment. SMCI has been plagued by financial reporting issues, which has led to concerns about delisting. These issues are not just about numbers on a page, they reflect deeper problems within the company's management and operations. When a company consistently fails to provide accurate and timely financial reports, it raises questions about its overall governance and transparency. That's right, folks, this stock could be kicked off the major exchanges, making it much harder to buy and sell. Delisting can severely limit the liquidity of a stock, meaning that investors may find it difficult to exit their positions without taking a significant loss. This is a risk that cannot be ignored, especially for those who rely on the ability to quickly buy or sell their shares. This lack of transparency is a major red flag. Transparency is the cornerstone of trust in the financial markets. Without it, investors are left in the dark, unable to make informed decisions. When a company fails to be transparent, it not only undermines investor confidence, but also jeopardizes its own credibility and future prospects. If we can't trust the numbers, how can we trust the company? Trust is earned through consistent and honest communication. When a company fails to provide reliable financial information, it breaks that trust, making it difficult for investors to have confidence in its future performance. This is why financial transparency is not just a regulatory requirement, but a fundamental aspect of good corporate governance. Investors deserve clear and accurate information, and until SMCI provides that, it's hard to recommend this stock. In the world of investing, information is power. Accurate and timely information allows investors to make informed decisions and manage their risks effectively. Without it, they are essentially flying blind, making it nearly impossible to navigate the complex landscape of the financial markets. Therefore, until SMCI addresses these issues and commits to greater transparency, it remains a risky bet. Section 6. Competition, navigating a crowded tech landscape. Another risk to consider is the intense competition in the tech sector. SMCI is far from the only game in town, and they're going up against some of the most innovative and well-funded companies in the world. To survive and thrive, SMCI needs to constantly innovate and stay ahead of the curve. They need to convince customers that their products are superior to the competition. That's no easy task, especially in an industry that's constantly evolving. Section 7. Weighing the odds risk versus reward with SMCI. So, where does that leave us? SMCI is a classic high-risk, high-reward investment. On the one hand, they operate in a booming market with significant growth potential. They've got intriguing partnerships and a potentially undervalued stock. On the other hand, they're facing serious challenges including delisting fears, financial opacity, and fierce competition. Investing in SMCI is like betting on a racehorse with a history of injuries. It could win big, but there's also a good chance it could stumble and fall. Section 8, the Kramer verdict, to buy or not to buy SMCI. So what's the verdict? Is SMCI a buy? The truth is there's no easy answer. This is a stock for investors with a high tolerance for risk. If you're looking for a safe and steady investment, look elsewhere. However, if you're willing to gamble on a potential turnaround story, SMCI might be worth a small speculative position. Just remember to do your homework and understand the risks involved. Section 9. Disclaimer. Proceed with caution in the stock market. And as always, folks, remember that I'm just a TV personality, not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice. Do your own research, consult with a professional, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The stock market is a risky business and there are no guaranteed winners. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay mad money.